Number 4, ask about apps, and you want to listen for solutions, not features here. Back in data center days, apps were a big deal. Script runner was a big deal. So they actually made Jira really, really usable. In cloud, that's a whole different story. Script runner is almost irrelevant. 95% of the functionality doesn't exist in cloud, and there's not much you could do with it. So a good question to ask here is, what apps do you actually recommend? Good solutions here are kind of vertically integrated. There's solutions that are not features. So a feature would be like a checklist, right? And if someone says checklist or issue history or maybe one-off reports or something, those are not good things to add to Jira because most of that stuff could be done out of box, especially with all the new features rolling out. There's a new vibe coding in Rovo that can build Forge apps for you that could do a lot of this. But a lot of the things that you cannot do are solutions. Things like Tempo. Tempo allows you to do a lot of time tracking, capacity planning, financial planning, things that Jira is likely never gonna do, and things that are very, very hard to replicate out of box. Whereas other apps like checklists, there's other solutions for in Jira. You could use subtasks, you could use action items, a lot of things that can be alternatives for that. Real quick, I've implemented Jira for over 200 companies. By far, the number one reason teams reach out to us is because they built what they thought was a great solution, only to realize that nobody actually ended up using it. And if that sounds familiar, that's exactly what we help you fix. We're currently taking on new projects 4 to 6 weeks out. And if you want help implementing Jira in a way that your team will actually use, hit the first link in the description below.